Hey YouTubers, Cruff39 back at you with another video. The other day I received this package. It's a steering wheel desk. Show you some quick video of this right here. You can eat on. You can have place food on this. Like, if you're like me, like if you stop at somewhere and get something to eat, maybe a drive-through or something like that, and you want to eat your food fresh and hot, this is right here is a good way instead of trying to place the food in your lap and spilling stuff and all that stuff. So I'm gonna let you take a look at it actually installed. That's it actually installed. This is pretty sturdy on here. This is not going anywhere as far as if you place anything on it. You have a cup holder. Place a cup right here, a beverage or whatever right here, and whatever. You can actually multitask on this. I mean, you can put some paper right here. You can, if you got some stuff you want to write out or whatever, maybe you can put a little laptop on here, do your thing. But it's pretty good. And this is for you, like, obviously if you're sitting somewhere safely, the car parked, not driving or anything, not like that. And that, don't, if you're gonna get this, don't have this on here and you're trying to drive or something like that. But I did pick this up off of Amazon. It was not expensive, and I believe I'm going to turn it over. And this is how I actually take it off. You want to fold this part up and it comes right off. And if you want to put this back on, you just put it on like this, like that, and that's not going anywhere. That's pretty sturdy. You can actually turn it over, install it the same way, like that. It's not going anywhere. Maybe you put a little pin or something right here. Pretty nice. I like it. I probably have 2 vehicles, so I'll probably get one more of these. So I hope you like my little video. In conclusion, as always, comment, like, and subscribe.